Hello, everybody, and today we're going to have a look at a villa that has just been finished. It is up for sale, and we're gonna have a closer look at it from the inside. Plus, the villa has been built in a modern architectural style, and everything in it's brand new. Plus, it's a very good investment of your money if you just want to buy a house and live in it, or if you want to rent it out as a source of passive income. It is located about 600 feet from the Atlantic Ocean, which is a good selling point if you want to rent out this villa. So anyways, let's go have a look. Now, the villa itself is 1,937 square feet. As stated previously, it is located about 600 feet from the ocean, near the beautiful beaches of Punta Popi. The territory, the plot of land itself, is about 1 rood that the house is located on. Alright, now let's look at the pros. Pro number 1, it's very quiet and peaceful here, and it also has a very nice layout. Now, the villa itself is 1 story. There is 1 floor here, and it was all well done because one person designed it. He was the architect, the construction, he did it all himself. So he really put the work into it. And right here to our side, we have a pantry, a laundry room. And let's have a look inside. Here we have a washing machine. Also put here a dryer. So that's not a big issue, but just have a look. Everything is white and brand new. It's all well done with the heart, with the best materials, with the best intentions, and that's all very important. And now let's have a look inside. So all in all, here we have 3 rooms, and here to our side we have a half bathroom. Here, and you guys can have a look. And here we will have 1 bedroom, and it's pretty big, pretty spacious. You have everything that you need right here, your ventilation, your AC, and also this bedroom has its own bathroom. All you need to do is buy all the furniture that you need, all the beds, all the closets, etc. Move in and it's done. It's ready for you. Now, another important factor is that nobody has ever lived in this villa. So, if you decide to purchase this property, you'll be the first owner. And also, I might add, it has never ever been rented out. And we can also have a look at the lawn. It's very beautiful, very well thought out, very well laid out. Here we have a pool, a lot of sunlight, a lot of natural light comes into this house, so it's a lot of light in here. It has a very good atmosphere. Plus the lawn, the territory itself has a lot of space, so in the future, if you wanted to expand, maybe add a bungalow or some sort of barbecue area or whatever, you have the space and the territory to do that. So here we have the panoramic movable doors and windows. And here we have the walkout patio area, and it's very important that all these doors and windows be done quality because they prevent a lot of stuff from coming in. And I think that'll be enough for this bedroom, and let's go have a look at the other spaces in this house. Here we have a large living room and the kitchen itself. Now, the kitchen was custom ordered and delivered all the way from Germany. And here the guys are discussing the kitchen, how everything should be laid out, so let's not bother them and move on. So also have a look at all the communications, all the sockets, everything is here, all the wiring is done, it's all top notch. You won't have any issues with it at all. So let's have a closer look at the kitchen right here. So we can see that here we have a gas stove, an oven, everything that we need, top notch sink. Like I said, everything is from Germany, everything is the best, it's custom ordered. And once we're done with the kitchen, we should have a look at bedroom number 2, which is up the hallway and to our right. Now, another big pro, an upside of this house, is that the bedrooms themselves are very big. 1,900 square feet might not sound like a lot, but you can do a lot with this surface area if you plan it out and lay it out perfectly. And also, I like the fact that the guy who built this villa did not economize on the bedroom space. Oftentimes, a lot of the developers like to cut up the bedrooms, make them smaller, just really shove more bedrooms into a house. But here we have the opposite. And you can also see here in the bedroom that we have a ventilator, air fan, AC, everything is here. And I would also like to remind you guys that this is a one-story villa. And if you are moving in with a family, especially with small children, I think this is a big upside for you guys. Because as stated previously, 1,937 square feet might not sound like a lot, but the way it's laid out, you have enough space. And here we have bedroom number 3. As you can see for yourself, it's pretty spacious in here. And from what we just saw, we have these 2 bedrooms for that 1 bathroom. So I am personally a fan of this house. I love the layout and I love the design. And a little bit farther down in the video, we'll discuss the numbers and the price. Now, not everybody might like it, but I think it is worth the money. Now, as stated previously, there's a lot of territory. This is actually a pretty big plot of land. It's 1/4 of an acre. So the house is located on one half, and the other half, as you can see here, you have a lot of free space where you can put a lot of things here for future development. So here the pool is 12 by 24 feet, and it's about 5.5 feet deep. Here you have a big terrace space right here that you can access from the living room, and here you have the curtains, mosquito netting that you can pull down. And to create extra shade, here you can put your tables, chairs, have outdoor dining. So you can see for yourself, this outdoor zone where you can have outdoor dining is pretty big, it's pretty spacious. Plus you have 2 air fans right here to keep it all cool. So I'm personally in love with this house. I think it's great. I think it's well laid out. You can do a lot of future development here. You have a lot of space, and the total price is going to be $450,000 US. And like I said, 1,937 square feet, 1/4 acre of land. Of course, the first impression you get is, well, that's kind of expensive. That's a pretty decent price. However, if you take into consideration the fact where it's located, it's very quiet here. You got the ocean 600 feet away from you. All in all, combining all these factors, it's not a bad deal. Plus, look, you're surrounded by nature, by a lot of greenery. It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's soothing. So for a personal residency, for a family, this is perfect. Plus, for the business-oriented viewers of my channel, the owner of this villa, as we can see right here, we have the lawn, the greenery right here, and here we have the gravel, the second exit for the cars, for the automobiles. The owner is thinking about putting 2 little guest houses right here on the gravel on this territory. Right here side by side, plus you'll have your parking space right here. Now these little houses won't be big, they'll be like a bungalow, and you can have 1, maybe 2, it's up to you. And by the way, here I forgot to mention, we have another technical storage space right there, and that's concerned with water filtration for the pool. And returning back to the 2 small units that you can add here, or 1 unit, up to you, you can rent them out. Now I must remind you guys that where we are located, right here on the beaches of Punta Papi here in Las Terrenas, where you got a lot of stuff, a lot of restaurants and bars and activities you can partake in, that push the price up for these small units that people rent out upwards of to $3,000 per month. So you could build 2 little units, 2 little bungalows right here on the pavement, on the gravel, rent them out, and you could be making $200, $250 a pop per night. And you can do the math. You rent out 2 units for $200 a night. Okay, not maybe for the whole month, but for 20 days. They'll be bringing in about $4,000 a month. Multiply that by 2. If you have 2, that's $8,000. And within a year, that's about $100,000. You paid for the house $450. So if you buy this house for yourself, for your own personal use, and add on 2 little units that you rent out that bring you in about $100,000 a year, your ROI will be about 4 to 5 years because of the 2 units you can add on onto your territory. And if you're wondering how much would it cost for you to build these 2 units, these 2 bungalows, all in all, considering all the factors, all the prices, about an extra $100,000. And all in all, that's the whole package. You can rent it out. It's a good investment, or you can not do anything at all with it, just live in it. It's up to you. I think this is a wonderful property, a wonderful house. So that's it, my friends. If you found this video useful or interesting, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss anything. And I'll continue posting videos about real estate here in the Dominican Republic that you can purchase as an investment or to live in, or just lease out property for yourself to live in and rest and relax here in this beautiful paradise island. Until next time, goodbye and have a wonderful day.